I am listening. Please express your throat chakra. This man right here is an underdeveloped lion Leo. I am cracking up. You're hilarious, ma'am. Okay, so where did you meet the lion Leo, as you call him? Well, Your Honor, I met the defendant at a full moon sound bath crown chakra activation for inner child trauma healing ceremony. And it was all well at first. All was divinely guided. Our energy was amazing. We were bonding, not trauma bonding. But you could just tell that the universe brought us together. From the very beginning, our sexual energy was on 10. It was just vibrating so high. And we knew that sexual energy is just really your sacral energy. So we both decided that we were just going to utilize this energy to create. So it was kind of like a high vibrational spiritual booty call. They ended up with an extra life and not a new life. I am listening. I am attentive. To me, it sounds as if the universe gave you exactly what you asked for, a new life. So why are you here in spiritual core trying to seek karmic justice if you got what it is you sought after? And understanding serendipitous moments brought to you by the universe, it was a full moon. It was telling us both to just release and let it go. And we did that. Well, I did that. I was under the impression that the defendant practiced semen retention, so he was going to be busting blanks while I released my orgasmic juices amongst his root chakra penetrator. I see. Wasn't the third eye vision? Ma'am, can you keep it to a minimum, please? We don't need no divine descriptions over here, okay? We understand. We understand. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, I was feeling his aura. It was vibrating high. And we made third eye contact. And then he came over and we shared a yoga mat. And it was healing. I'm curious to know, is there any accuracy to the story that she's telling about your experience and how the universe brought you two together? Divine peace and blessings, Judge Affirmation. I'm Dante Johnson, but my spiritual name is Heru, GodBody. I don't identify with age. That's too earthly. But I'm from Compton, California. And I want to give thanks for you holding space and allowing me to keep my aura covered in court. It's not just a fashion statement, it's spiritual, Your Honor. I am processing. Ashe. Please continue. I'm going to be honest, Your Honor. Everything Ascension said I heard my chakra, it was a half truth. It depends upon your perspective and what dimension you existed in. I am puzzled. I am baffled. Sir, Heru, GodBody Johnson, what dimension are you existing in right now? Always 5D and higher, Your Honor. That's how I'm able to see the divine manifestation in this unforeseen situation. You feel me? Ascension, no. This ain't her first trip here on Earth. We said we wanted to create a new life. The universe heard us and gave us what it is we asked for. And Your Honor, what I meant by a new life was a new life for me. Not a new life given to me or inserted into me. When I was visualizing my areolas in the mouth of somebody was not in the mouth of a baby overnight, gnawing on it for milk. Yes, I love baby black tourmaline. That's my heart chakra. But what I visualized was my areola in the mouth of a man on the beach with locks and a goatee. That was my intention. Maybe I didn't make it crystal clear for the universe, and I apologize. I am listening. I am attentive. To me, it sounds as if the universe gave you exactly what you asked for, a new life. So why are you here in spiritual core trying to seek karmic justice if you got what it is you sought after? Abundantly speaking, Lidante is pre-wealthy. And I was okay with that. I was most definitely okay with that because we can manifest and create abundance through our sexual exchange of energy. However, instead of creating a new life, we got an extra life because somebody was lying. So we did not get to properly prepare for prosperity. And now we have a new life and he can't afford his life, my life, and the extra life. My intentions wasn't to release any of my vital life force energy inside of her sacred space. I respect the intentions that we set, you feel me? But the universe is spiritual. You know, subconsciously, maybe it slipped out. I can't be held accountable for the fact that she had her sacred space wrapped around my root chakra penetrator in a headlock and was massaging the tip with her lips. And excuse me, Your Honor, I apologize, but like, I gotta keep it real. I gotta keep it real. You know what I'm saying? I don't deny nothing. It's a yes and a no. Sir, now can you be present in the now, please? We don't need to be pulled into the past when you were getting on and penetrating her sacred space. Okay? We do not need any more divine descriptions in spiritual court. We do not need any more divine descriptions, please. Okay? I don't mean to be so graphic, Your Honor. You feel me? But my intentions was to practice semen retention. I didn't intend to release. I am shocked. I am listening. So are you telling me that you were not practicing semen retention and that you intentionally impregnated the plaintiff to create a new life with her? Is that what you're saying to me right now out your mouth chakra? For earthly clarification, for the root chakra, because I want us to be grounded and rooted in this healing. As a melanated masculine man, I'm not toxic. I'm not out here lying to women. Yeah, I'm a Leo. I don't mean I'm lying. I've been healing. I'm developed. You feel me? She over here projecting her trauma upon me because she know the role she played in all of this. It wasn't just me. She busted open and downward faced her dog and made her cat meow. You know what I'm saying? It was an equal exchange of energy. So I accept my responsibility, but she also got to accept hers. She's not a victim. She's far from it, Your Honor. And yes, Judge Affirmation, I won't lie. I could have used better discernment within my proper preparation to not allow myself to get pregnant by a lion Leo. However, we were divinely guided and protected. We were divinely guided and protected, and we wrapped it up like a universal condom. It was spiritual. I am perplexed. So why deny your offspring, your seed? Because from the picture, it looks as if you were enjoying time spent bonding with baby tourmaline. I want to ask Ascension right now, is there any way that I can be allowed back into your divinely guided vortex so I can be present on a daily basis in baby tourmaline's life? From here on out, Your Honor, I'm just going to raise my baby. I'm going to raise my black tourmaline and make sure he stay grounded and rooted and know that he is loved and that he was not a mistake because the universe makes no mistakes. And that's just all. I want my compensation so that I can raise my baby without any financial instabilities and any thoughts of lack because we're supposed to be breaking generational traumas and creating financial stability and generational wealth. I have the results. I am ready. I'm ready for the results. I'm ready for the results. Come on, Judge Affirmation. Affirm this. Affirm that this is his baby. When it comes to 5-month-old baby black tourmaline, Lidante Heru Bay GodBody Johnson, you are the creator. Ashe. So Motive B, it is done. Been told you, Lidante. I've been told you. Baby, ain't nobody got to lie on you. You out here pre-wealthy. You ain't even in purpose. It determines that you were not busting blanks, but you actually released in Ascension and created a new life. It was no doubt. I knew baby tourmaline was mine. You feel me? It's just the earthly clarification helps me ground my root chakra. And I want to apologize to you, Ascension, if I made you feel unprotected as a black woman. I apologize. It's too late. You done created a fatherless home. You're a statistic now. Have a great life. Enjoy existing on earth knowing that you out here creating babies without a proper plan in place for prosperity to take care of your seeds. I am healing. I am a judge. I am ready. This was a tough one. But then at the same time, it wasn't really. Because it depends upon my perspective and what dimension I exist. Is that correct, Mr. Heru Bay GodBody Johnson? Well, I'm here to make my executive decision in spiritual court where karmic justice shall be served. I don't feel as if, ma'am, you have a case. You didn't properly prepare. You did not properly prepare. You used a universal condom, which left room for error. I am concerned. Why are you looking at me with the fluoride face? You must be calcified. And you honestly got what you said your intentions were. You received a new life. It may not have been the new life that you thought you needed, but the universe gave you what it is that you really needed. And Mr. GodBody, Lidante, I'm going to call you what your mama named you. Let me get you rooted. Let me get you rooted. Because you cannot be out here preying on people with positivity and fake semen retention that you ain't practicing. Okay? You cannot be out here subconsciously releasing your vital life force energy into the sacred space of a goddess, and she does not know. Unbeknownst to her, now she with child, and she thinking that she just manifesting a new life for her, and the universe gave her a new life for y'all. Case divinely dismissed. You are released. Have a great life. Raise baby black tourmaline with love and respect. We don't need any more fatherless homes for melanated people. You understand? You understand? All right. Karmic justice has been served. You are released.